Now first group present. Next onwards, if petition is there, you just and don't explain the concept. We don't want concept. How you have done it, how you use the software given. Let us not go for content part, okay? Because all our learned colleagues are here. Content part is not very important. How the software is used to make that particular concept given. That's all. You just explain in brief. Within now it's 4:30. So first group can begin with the leader.
Group. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes,
good afternoon,
please,
sir. Myself, Narendra, Group A.
Please, sir.
Yeah, on behalf of Group A, Mr. Girdhar sir, TGT Max, KV Boyapalli, he will present everything, sir. All seven tasks, we make it into a PowerPoint. He will present, sir.
Okay, sir. Very quickly, you can just take it up.
Yeah, sure. Girdhar sir, or shall we wait for a few minutes?
No, Girdhar sir is not joined. We
sir, he is there.
another 5 minutes time, sir.
Sir, he is there, sir.
Purushottam sir.
Yes, please. Madhav Garu. Yeah, please, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, Madhav sir, I am able to hear you. Please.
Screencast-o-matic that I recorded. 3 options are there now. One is screenshot, the other one is webcam, and the third one is both web and screen. I took the third option, is cam, but it's not accepting. Only that first option is accepting. Got the point? In that recording,
I got it.
3 options are there. The first one is
maybe sometime.
Yeah.
No, 1 minute. For Madhav sir, I'll just answer you. Because we are using video, sometimes the load factor and your data, the speed of the net, these things factor. Okay. Next speed is also factor. If the speed of the net is not it may not accept video because we give recording more data. That's maybe the technical problem. Okay, you can try it afterwards also. Doesn't matter. Even if you have recorded the screen, that you can just present it.
Sir, even in live worksheets also, sir, even in live worksheets, we have 2 options. One is checking the answers by the student, and another one is you can send it to the teacher. Any one you can use, sir.
Yeah. That's what. See, now when you want child to self-learn, you take the first option. That's where you are getting the marks immediately. And another one is send it through email. Is there no? 2 options. Whenever we finish, there are 2 options. We are not going for the second option. But when you select teacher who wants to see that, they can go for second one. So that the result will come to you. Later on, you can tell that. Assess and tell. But right now, only for learning.
Yeah. So by mistake, if the student press that one, no, he can't send it to a teacher.
Yeah, that's what. Then he will send the marks.
Yeah.
He will send the marks.
So, Girdhar sir, we can
you have to instruct.
Girdhar sir,
choose it. Okay, and now let's go. Presentation already 3 minutes over. Please, who is coming? First group A.
Girdhar sir, can you?
And group leader. There is no.
Ready, sir. No problem. Ready.
Chappan sir, please present the screen.
Okay.
And please remember, leader need not introduce the member. Directly member can come. All are equal. No, that you just tell your group name A, B, C, D, and you can start. Whoever has present the presentation. Okay. Those who have prepared presentation, please present it. We can save time. Yeah, you go and call again. Okay, great.
Shall we go for group 2, sir? Suresh,
nobody group 1.
Suresh,
can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Group 1 started.
We all the people have taken the group discussion and we have done the individual task and we have gathered all the information what is the task which are given and we have put it in the PowerPoint presentation. One by one, each of our individual members will explain presentation of task given for day 2 and this is the task 1. It is prepared by
Divya Singh.
Divya Singh, madam. please take up. So
Yes.
the task is this: create one video of 2 minutes duration using screen cap or flip guard using any of the FET simulation. Narendra sir, are you ready with audio? Narendra sir. Narendra sir.
Please go ahead, sir.
Narendra
Giridhar
sir.
sir. Don't.
No,
Narendra is
Narendra
muted.
sir has
Yeah.
to play.
Sir, already played.
And as
Okay,
you can
right.
see, water
Go ahead.
level there, and the mountain kind of thing. So let us see if I take this girl, okay, and I put her underwater, what happens? So as you can see, it is this bar over here is reflecting her depth, okay, where she is at present. And you can monitor the screen over here also. You can monitor this scale. As it is less than 0, so we can see a negative sign. Okay. And as soon as I bring her just above the water, so she started time, and that's now you can see the minus sign has been removed from it. So now the value is positive. So it is a positive integer now. Now suppose let us place her over here. Now let us take this bird. Okay. Okay. Now the bird is underwater. The height is somewhere around minus 31 or minus 29. And as soon as we took her out of water, she started flying, and let us keep her over here. Or we can keep her above the girl also. As you can see, she is at a height of 89 meters. But from where? We have taken the water level to be at 0. So this is our reference point. So anything below this is negative, as we could see. Suppose if I bring her over here, bring the bird over here, so it is minus 37. As you can see, something below the water level is negative and above the water level is positive. Now let us bring this fish also into the picture. As we can see the fish now, it is at minus 40 meters or minus 39 or minus 36. Now we have placed these three things over here: the bird, okay, a girl flying, and a fish. Now as you can see, out of these three integers, 90. Okay, 90 was the bird's height was at 90 meters. Okay. Now this at 90 meters, it means the bird is at the greatest height, so it is the greatest integer. Then we have got the girl, so she is at 59 meters. So
Okay, well, now you can put what are the other concept we can focus on. Enough, sir. Enough. What are the other concepts you can focus on using particular software? A wonderful simulation. We can. What are concept you can test or make child practice? What are the targeted learning outcomes of this particular PET you are using? Be in brief.
Sir, we can use this for introducing integers using number line to the students.
Okay.
The concept of positive and negative integers.
Even comparison of integers also can be
Okay,
done.
next second task we go with second task.
Okay.
Sir, audio. Narendra sir, audio.
Plus 8n whole square. So this is our expression. Now if you see, before putting the identity, first we take 7m as A and 8n as B. So if you assume this as A and B, my expression is become A plus b whole square. So here we have the formula a plus b, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So after applying this formula, we'll get 7m whole square plus 2 into 7m into 8n plus 8n whole square. Now we multiply this, we'll get this 2 into 7, 14 and 18 into 14 we'll get 112 mn plus 8n whole square. Now we have to simplify this term. So 7m whole square can be written as 7m whole square can be written as 7m into 7m plus middle term is 112. Middle term is 112 mn plus 8n whole square can be written as 8n into 8n. Right? So it can be written like this. Now, we'll again 7 into 7, how much we'll get?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Who prepared this? Who prepared, please?
Sir, I prepared this one.
Yeah, they 7m square directly you can calculate, no? Why again you are typing 7m into 7? Please.
Sir, I didn't get. Yes, sir. I didn't get it.
You click on that 7m square. I'm just sharing just to 1 minute to explain. You can use that same. No need to. You can just come out of presentation.
Yes, sir. Okay. I present. I present.
You just click on square. 49m square you can get it if you are using the board. Okay. No need to write 7m into 7. Thank you. Okay. Next presentation.
Okay.
Next. Okay. Nice. You used the quadratic, the identity also correctly. Nice. It is good. Next.
Thank you, sir.
You just click on that 2. You automatically it will calculate. No need to write 7m into 7. Manjula ma'am, I think. No. Thank you.
Three steps will.
Next. Right worksheet. Sir,
Yes,
please
sir.
tell me how you prepared. That's all. We want how you prepared, the method, not the content wise.
So first I went to Word document. I made the Word document in the laptop. Then I converted it to PDF. I registered myself in that software first and I uploaded it. I went to that training module and all that I have seen.
Yes,
I learned
please.
it. And I did both fill in the blanks and match the following. Both I have done. Like in the above one, I did match the following and down I did fill in the blanks.
How do you feel, ma'am? It is very user friendly.
Yes, sir. Yeah. If you write, if write also it's green and otherwise it's red, so you can work.
Yes. Both for teacher as well as student, it is a good software. We can say, nice, ma'am. Good. A good job. Within short time, you could rise to that. And I know in future, I'll find in your library so many worksheets. I can just click and get your worksheets. For each lesson, we can just make 1 or 2 worksheets and use in the class.
Yes,
good. Fill in the blanks.
Yeah.
How did you make the blanks?
Just fill the numbers, sir. When you go to finish, automatically it shows.
Earlier, I think you typed that number there and covered it.
I gave the correct answer. I gave the correct answer. Now, child does it wrong, it shows red.
Yeah, put 1 or 2 mistake also, make it wrong, so that we can see that is wrong.
Madam, bagunnara?
Sir, fine, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Rasul, sir.
Yeah, finish the quiz. Yeah, this is what
we'll come to know. If it is to send to teachers, we are not able to see the answers for ourselves. No, no, sir. Do Giridhar sir, check my answers.
Okay, try that option, ma'am. Try with students how to get it. It is possible. Okay,
6
6.
by 10.
Good. 6 by 10.
And the right answer will come in blue color, green color, and the wrong will come in red color.
Right. Right. So thank you. Nice. Next, please. Now you got how to do it. Yes. See all that red color boxes we could see which are answered wrong. So it is a self-evaluation for the child. Okay. Okay, sir. Narendra sir, you can just come. Who is presenting? Next item. So PET simulation over. Use live worksheet. Any GeoGebra project. This you can come out, sir. Same it is. Okay. No repetition of the. Even though I asked for assignment, that will be recorded. That's all. We can send it to regional office. You can go to the next item. Next is software.
No, not third one, the fourth one.
No, enough, sir. I mean, what I say, it is the same material, no? I gave for only practice. You could have done it.
So
now I think everybody.
You open, sir.
Pardon?
Task 4. You open task 4.
Huh?
You have to open task 4.
बड़ा मुश्किल है जबीर क्या आगे इतना मुश्किल है एग्जाम
Russell sir, please mute your mic. Russell sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Again you got yes.
Jibina.
Sir, if you're not able to do it, don't worry, sir. Don't worry. Go for the next. Okay. Just let's not waste time. Time is precious now. We'll see somebody else may present it. Okay. You find out where is the problem and you can rectify it. Make the presentation quickly so that everybody gets chance.
Jibina, Talma link. Link Talma.
Sir, Russell sir.
Yes, sir.
Sound.
Huh? Sir, this is about GeoGebra.
Mute your mic, Russell sir. Mute your mic.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
Okay, this is about GeoGebra. Already we have taken training in that, and we have already I have taken this GeoGebra and logged in that, and resources were created and uploaded in the GeoGebra. GeoGebra, when you just log in it and you make it yourself a member of this GeoGebra, then you will get the page like this. Actually, home page will appear like this. This is your home page. And resources, if you want, these are the resources available in GeoGebra. For different classes, different GeoGebra models already people have uploaded in this, and we can use any one of these. If you just click it, it's a ocean and you have a treasure here, and this treasure will definitely help us. Only thing we have to do here is we have to search and choose the best one which best suits for our class. And this is about the GeoGebra resources I am telling. And there are millions of GeoGebra files. Now my profile is this because I have already created it, and in this I have uploaded some of my lessons which I have already done it. One of that I wanted to show you, that is sum of any two sides of a triangle is what? That is what a question, and this is the GeoGebra which I have prepared and uploaded to the site so that people can use it. It is a public one. You also can use it when you come to the GeoGebra site. And just if you go and click it, you will be getting this different things. This is what, just like a PowerPoint presentation, you can do it. And there is one point A, this is the point B, and this is the point C. Then I can use another tool called line segment. That line segment I can create a triangle. This is a simple thing anybody can create. Once we created, the points are represented with the letters A, B, and C capital. You can see it. And side one, you can see the measurement also you can get in the GeoGebra. It is 4.85 and the side 2 is 7.01 and side 3 is 9.44. Then what more we are going to get? We wanted to see the property that sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. That property, if you want to set, if you go and take one vertex and move it, the sides will change and the measurements also will change. And not only that, you can verify that here more things are being developed here. And you can see here, this is what I can use it a checkbox. Verification of the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. That verification can be easily done with different triangles. Here you can see this is the text boxes which appear when we click the checkbox. Length of the side 4.85. You can see this is the side 1. You can see here length of the side 4.85. Side 2 and side 3 as this. The sum is 17.11.
Yeah, yes,
the
excellent,
sum of the length.
sir, excellent. I was just waiting for. Okay, sir.
If you go and change this, when I change these measurements, the side changes, sides also changes, and the measurements above also will be changing. This is a dynamic processing which we have done here, and this like this we can do millions. Millions are available in Gemstone. This is done by me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Giridhar sir. Wonderful. I was looking at the text box. Okay, so most of the time I saw the slides, the text box for that. Very good. You used it. This is what the GeoGebra can do, and even child can handle this and understand the concept. So it is a very good learning app what we have, GeoGebra, and wonderfully made. And so sure, sir. I'm also a member of GeoGebra. I will visit and look into your paper, and I'll use if I want it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Wonderful job. So you are already master of GeoGebra. So no doubt in it. Excellent. Next. If the same one, don't present it, sir. GeoGebra, let other group take it. Any new thing is there, you just show it. Otherwise, we call it group B.
Our group.
Okay, yes. Enough, sir. Because within the time, let us give chance to others. That's all. I know all of you have done a good job, but sir, we have only 1 hour.
Can I present, sir? Can I present, sir? Group 6, BA multiplier.
Yes, please, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. Now I am sharing the screen. One of the resources I have taken is a graph sheet. We can explain so many things through graph sheet. I made some CCT questions on a graph sheet. So this is one question. The different E's I have made here, and draw the next shape. That also we can ask children. Complete the table. Show the number of shaded squares in each pattern. They can follow the pattern also. They can identify the pattern also. Here it is E1 is 8, E2 is 11, E3 is 14, etc. So there is a sequence. And how many shaded squares would there be in the 10th pattern? That also without drawing a E for 10, they will be able to calculate it by following the sequence. Then fill in the 2 missing numbers also. We can ask them to write and describe in words how the 5th term of the sequence is formed. See, at times they may calculate it, but they don't know the concept. To make them familiar with the concept, we can ask them to describe how you are finding the fifth term of the sequence inwards. Okay, sir. The same graph sheet we can use for the perimeters also here. I have given for 1 unit, perimeter is 1 unit shape, and here it is perimeter is 3, and number of units are used is 1. So the same perimeter, it is 4 when it is used for 2 units. When I am using 3 units, perimeter is 5. Here also, children will find the sequence. There is a rule, then they will go for the general rule like this. First one, for the triangle, I have given them a general rule, how to frame the general rule, where n is the number of unit shapes I have used here. In this particular case, I have used triangles, and plus 2.
Sorry to interrupt. I
Sir,
told
please.
you, let us not concentrate on content part.
Yes,
How
sir.
you make,
Yes, sir.
what is the software you are using?
Yes,
How
sir.
it
Yes,
is
sir.
used.
Yes, sir.
That's not very important.
And these are the rest of the things we can continue
Yeah,
with.
yeah, yeah.
And this
That's
is
true.
another one I used graph sheet for the ratio and proportion.
Okay,
This is
ma'am.
for ratio. I'm using this. Different continents I marked like this, and I asked the children to count the number of squares and go for the ratio. Here are the questions I have asked for. What is the ratio between Africa and Europe, Australia and Asia, etc. Sir. Sir, here I'm just, I would like to go for GeoGebra also. I'm using GeoGebra to question our CCT problem, sir.
Yeah.
Here, this is a circle, sir. Okay. So the name of the concept is birthday cake. So when I placed one line, sir, how many parts get into this? When it is intersected by one line. So now it is how many lines getting intersected, sir? Anybody can, please?
Two.
Please, sir. Anybody can.
2 lines, madam. 2 lines.
Remember that, sir.
2 lines.
Only one thing I missed in GeoGebra is there is no making a marking here itself. That is only the main problem. So I cannot write.
There it is there. You can use the text box, madam, to mark it.
Yeah.
Which one, sir?
Text box in GeoGebra. There was a text box.
Sir,
ABC.
So marking is possible, changing is possible, everything
is possible, madam.
Please,
no,
you just
no text box. Where it is, sir?
now what is your question you ask, ma'am? What is your question?
What I just want to mark the values simultaneously, sir. Then and there, so that children can follow, na?
No. Which value you want?
See, when I intersected with a single line, how many parts get into? It get into 2 parts, no, sir.
You have to make a program, ma'am. You
1
can
plus 1
just
it
use
is.
a program. Not make a text box.
Okay.
Text box.
This is then 2 lines getting intersected, sir. This is 3 lines getting intersected. How many parts the child is able to count? Then 4 lines getting intersected and 5 lines getting intersected. Sir,
Madam, what you are going to?
This is CCT question, sir. This is a CCT question. Finally, they asked for n number of lines when they get when it is divided into n parts. What is the final general rule for the n parts? Hello, Vanshu. Intersecting n lines. Sir, anybody has any idea? This is a pizza question only, sir. The same thing they asked for the line segments also, sir. Like I'm going for that also. See,
Madam, general rule is 2n, madam. 2n.
No, sir.
The general rule.
NP2.
No, sir. No, sir. It is not 2n, sir.
Permutation
That's why
NP2.
we have to follow the number, sir. See, when it is only one line, 1 plus 1, sir. 2.
Oh, yes.
When it is 2 lines, 1 plus 1 plus 2, sir. When it is 3, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, sir. So it goes on. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus etc. n. Sigma n. It is a PISA question, sir. So I am just sharing with you. We can explain through GeoGebra, sir. And
So,
another
yeah.
one, this is for circle, sir.
Madam, n into n plus 1 by 2, no? Madam, formula. N
Sir,
into n plus 1 by 2.
1 plus,
Okay.
1 plus. Sigma n is n into n plus 1
n
by
plus
2,
1 by
sir.
2. Okay.
1 plus n into n plus 1 by 2, sir. 1 plus is there because in the very beginning. Now you just see, sir, this comparison. Now I am just taking the line segment, sir. So one line segment, how many intersecting points, sir?
None.
Two.
None. Yes. So when I am going for 2.
1 point.
Remember that, sir. We started with 0. So when 3 line segments, sir. Four line segments. Just 1 second, sir.
Okay, we'll move to the next question now. Many others I told you, as I told, content is not the matter.
Content is not the matter, but we can use the GeoGebra not only to only purely constructions. We can take the children the interesting CCT questions also by using the CCT, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me the opportunity. Thank you very much, sir.
Because of time constraint, otherwise it's a good platform to discuss. Finding time.
Thank you very much, sir.
Anybody from a good effort, but it requires a lot of time. Sorry about time, because afterwards everybody will feel already it is 5 o'clock. Group over. Anybody else from group 2? A different software.
Vandana madam, you can give Vandana madam. Group 2.
Yes.
Group 2 Vandana madam will give.
Yeah, group 2 we are starting. First I will give my work, then other group members will follow.
Ma'am, please come out of your presentation. Mangatayaru ma'am. Mangatayaru ma'am, please you can take out the presentation.
Sir, I am from group 6, sir.
Mangatayaru madam is from group 6, sir.
No, group 2. I think group 2, anybody is there?
Group 2 is ready, sir. Group 2 ready. Mangatayaru madam, you stop your presentation.
Stop your presentation, what I say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Hello,
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Vandana madam will take care now. Vandana madam will start from group 2.
Group, next group.
3.
Group 2. Vandana madam will start.
Okay.
So I have used, good afternoon everyone, I have used live worksheets and prepared a small worksheet for class 6 on types of triangles. I have used the drag and drop function. So this is the live worksheets. And topic is, and I have shared it on the public platform, so it can be accessed once you register it into it. And students can also register, and then they can also open. So my screen is visible?
Yes, very much. Please go ahead. Go ahead.
So these are the 4 types of triangles. I have taken 4 figures and names for them. So first one is an isosceles triangle. So we have to take its name and we have to drag it and drop at the correct place. Second one is a right angle triangle. So its name can be taken and you have to put it at the correct place. Third one is an equilateral triangle. So yeah. And fourth one I have taken as an obtuse angle triangle. So I have put them all. Then after that there is a finish function. So when we click on finish, it is submitted. Options are coming. Either I can check my answers or I can email my work to the teacher. So after that the score will come, as sir told us that it will be marked for 10 marks only. and whatever number of items there are, the score is divided into them equally. So this is how.
Okay,
I have
okay, ma'am.
done it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well done. Now I think you got how to make the sheet. You learned it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Learning outcome is achieved. Learning outcome for this course is achieved. Thank you.
Okay,
You
thank
can
you.
just go. Yeah.
Yes.
Because learning outcome is there. At the end of the day, you say I don't know, then I am failure. Correct? Am I right? Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I tried to record it. Recording didn't come out perfectly, but I
Okay,
have
ma'am.
tried your screen
Right.
task also. Yeah, it's good function.
They got introduced and your interest and your creativity makes it a wonderful. I wish everybody will make a wonderful thing and all your videos please upload onto YouTube so that others can use them as a OER. Okay?
Yes.
Green, sir.
So please work it out. Yes, next group 3, I think.
Sir, group 2, sir. Group 2, 3 more projects are there. And just we are
Okay,
going to
same you want to different, you just
different, sir.
yeah, right, please come out.
Different only,
Yeah,
sir.
right, please come out. You can just go ahead with.
Present 1 or 2 Krishna, sir.
Yes, sir.
From group 2.
Yeah, which platform you are using, sir?
Graspable maths, sir.
Okay, graspable maths. So are you comfortable with? Are you comfortable in using all the operations and simplification? Yes, go ahead. And you use the screencast to record also. Right.
Something two terms, and this is a triangle. So how to multiply? First of all, what we will do, we will multiply this x plus y by all the terms of this triangle. So that's what we are going to do. So we are multiplying x plus y with all the terms of the triangle. Now we will just open this bracket. That means we will multiply x square with all the terms of this particular. So we will get this one. Now we will multiply x y. With this x plus y, we are multiplying. Now we are multiplying this y. Now here, in the third term, we are just multiplying y square with all the terms. Here, now we are opening this bracket. So all the terms will be completed. Here, x square multiplied by x. So this will become x cubed. Here, x multiplied by x. So it will become x square. Now here, y multiplied by y. So it will become y square. And here, y square multiplied by y. So we get y. Now we are just rearranging the terms. Here we can write it y x square as x square y. Here x y square x. We are writing it x y square. Now we will just do the calculation that x square y minus x square y. So we will cancel. Same here minus x y square plus x y square we will cancel. So we will get x cubed plus y. So this is our answer. So when we multiply x plus y by the trinomial x square minus x plus y square, so we will get x cubed plus y. So these are all the terms. These are all the steps we have done.
Purushottam sir.
Yeah, okay. Good math. Nice. All right.
Next one, sir.
You can just close the next.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
What is there, sir? Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kahoot is also one.
Yes, yes, sir.
Kahoot platform is used, and
This is a quiz slide, sir.
yes, sir.
Find the value of angle x. So 20 seconds they have to give given the time. Within that time they have to tell the answers.
Do they need to tell, or you have given the option? What kind of quiz it is?
Yes.
Okay, options are there. Right, right.
So one more is this, sir. The question is the LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is. This is the time. Within the prescribed time they have to tell, sir. So correct answer is 90. Then we'll go for the next one, sir. Like that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
One more.
What is this?
This is okay, so that is that.
Skip it. It's only presentation, content presentation.
Sir.
Are you just presenting the video?
Yes, sir. That one is a video, sir.
That's enough. Okay, that we can say. Okay. Something you have made with the video, then we can see. It is an interactive video. There are some software when videos you can just insert questions. That kind of please you can try with that. I didn't see. For evaluation.
So this is the area model multiplication.
That is with on-fit simulator.
You give the parameters, length and breadth. So the child can find out the area of the given shape. Whether we can make as rectangles and squares. We can make the size different. We will have parameters will give different, and then according to that the product will become, and they will find out the area also. For the 6th class it is better, sir.
Yeah,
so now it is the length we can change here, so dimensions we can change here. For example, you can take this is square. Now if you reduce the length, this will be the breadth and this will be the length. Now 9 into 10 will give area 90 centimeters square, or 90, whatever the units we can take. So how to do the product? So here they given, sir, total area is 90, and how to do the multiplication. Here 2 rectangles are given. We can split it, sir. We can change this one.
Yeah. What other concepts you can use this for, sir? Any idea? I'm not testing you. I'm just questioning you. Sorry, please. What other concept you can use for the same simulator? Bring it down. 5 plus 4 you make.
Yes.
Multiples.
Area of a rectangle. Pardon?
Factors, multiple.
Products, sir. Can be the product
perimeter.
And we can make it is a graph also, sir. Graph also.
Yeah, distributive property also we can use it. Distributive property.
Yes.
Yeah. The 10 plus 9, 4 plus 2, and how it is better. Okay, wonderful simulator you have taken, and
we can
thank you, sir. Yeah.
We can change this grid lines also, sir. Here, that we can use.
Grid is there, background you can change. They are all to make your presentation a beautiful one. Okay, without grid, with grid you can just. Okay, let's move to the next group, please. Thank you, Krishna sir. Lal Krishna sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
you. Next group. How many groups are there, sir, total?
5, 6
Total
groups.
number of
Good evening, group 3. Now, Ankita Madam from Eluru will present.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all, sir.
Good evening.
Okay, sir, I'm sharing that PHET simulation, sir. So the screen is visible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes, madam.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually, sir has already told the area, so I'm taking that one only. But in this one, I'm going to show. We can tell student how we are going to make an area. First, we have to make the student to form a grid. Okay, these are the grids.
All others, please keep your mic mute. Only presenting person will keep it on. You see that your surrounding is not noisy. It disturbs others, please. Yes,
In
please.
this grid, first we have to just introduce the students that one grid is one square unit. Okay, so first of all, according to that, when we are going to just put a square, these are with the square shaped paper cutting, and it is we are going to just present in here. According to that, at the upper side you can see that area and perimeter is given. So when we are just putting like this, the area is increasing and perimeter is also increasing here. One more concept we are going to introduce to the students, that to keep the area, that we can see here that the area and perimeter is same when we are going to take 4 by 4. But we can also tell the student one thing in this way, that area will be same, but with the same thing the perimeter will be different like this. When we will do like this. So we can see here the area is same, but the perimeter is different. Now we can also join it like that. Again, we can see that area is 16 and perimeter is 34. And just same as the student can also play a game, the same as they have given a goal that they have to make an area of 9. So again, we have to click on the grid. So it is easy for the student to make the area. First, we are going to take 9. We have to make an area of 9. This has become 6, 8, and 1 square more. So after that, they can check the answer and they can get. In this way, we can use this software as to represent this one.
Yeah, wonderful, Ankita. A good
thank you,
app
sir.
To present here. It's very good.
Thank you, sir.
And now I think we got used to see that, and we can use it. There are a number of
thank you, sir.
apps like that. You can just use it. Thank you, Ankita.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody
thank you,
from group 3, or shall we move to group 4? Anybody, any new thing you want to share? Please come out. Same means it's just for submission. You can use it. Any new thing you can just share with new idea on how it is made. Group 3, group 4, group 4.
Good afternoon, sir. I am from group 4. I am
Yes,
presenting GeoGebra to show the properties of alternate interior angles formed between the parallel lines.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So here I have drawn 2 parallel lines and a transversal. I have marked the alternate pairs of interior angles in one color. So these 2 pink colored angles are one set and green colored angles make one set. So here I have used the slider to rotate the angles, and when I rotate, so we can see that the angles are same.
Excellent, ma'am. Good idea. This is what I said. GeoGebra, if you are creative, you can do it. I got a good idea of it. How nice to,
Yes,
yeah, if I overlap it.
So here also I have used the text box. It remains constant because the angles are same, like alpha 1 and beta 1 are one pair of alternate interior angles. So if I change the transversal, the angles are changing, and this is also reflected here in this text box. So that's it, sir. This is one presentation. And one more for angle sum property. I have made. So this is a triangle. The measures of the angles are seen here. So again, I'm using the slider here to move the angle. So once we move it and keep it, it is making a straight line.
Wonderful idea. Wonderful idea. It's a good.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, madam.
And here I'm moving the points, sir.
Hello, madam.
Hello. Yes.
Hello, madam. So can
Yes,
you
sir.
please explain, madam, how you made the slider, madam? I don't know how to prepare this. Slider,
Here
slider.
there
How you
is the
made the
option,
slider,
sir,
madam?
slider. Here we can insert the slider.
Angle. Slider angle you are
It is stuck, sir. Now, 1 second.
Okay.
Yes. So here I have taken the angle and I have kept the maximum
180, 0 and 180.
And later I have used this. Yes, here. Rotate around a point. So here I rotated along that point, sir.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
While rotation, it will ask for the.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Thank you very much.
That's it, sir. We can extend this to angles and property of quadrilaterals and other polygons, and also for exterior angle property, and many theorems in class 9 can be explained using this GeoGebra.
Yeah, thank you, Divyashi ma'am. You created interest in how to do it. Surya Prakash sir questioned you. How did you do it? That means a great job. Great job. Good.
Yes, madam. Actually, it is multi-purpose.
Yeah.
Yes,
Google, I mean, GeoGebra account. So we will use your good idea. Thank you.
Yes,
next, group 5. Group 5, I think, no? Group 4, anybody else? Group 5.
Sir, I'm V.S. Sastri, Group 5. I'm V.S. Sastri, V.N.A. Sastri, Group 5, sir. So let us play the game on this Kahoot.it. So all of you...
Please, 1 minute. Divya ma'am, please remove your presentation. Divyashi, ma'am, Divyashi, please come out of presentation. Yeah, please. Thank you. So now you can take up, sir. Who is coming?
Sir.
Yes, please.
I'm Sastri from Group 5. So let us play this game on Kahoot.it. So those who are having Kahoot app, please open that. I'm sending the pin. So you please write down the pin 7446399. I will share it also.
Put it in chat box, sir. Put it in chat box.
Kahoot.in, sir. Kahoot.in. Okay, sir. I will send.
Repeat the pin.
Kahoot game. Sir wants to give the game. There you will be given a code. The teacher can generate a code and give it to the child. And they use the code.
Sir, can you repeat the pin?
7446399. He said.
Yes, sir. 7446399. It is there. It is there in the chat box. It is there in the chat box. Yes.
Chat box.
Now I will share. Now Vandana madam has already joined. Thank you, madam. Remaining, please, those who are having, please join fast so that we cannot Kahoot.it. Only till now, only Vandana madam has joined. Now Pushottam sir has joined. Jay Prakash sir joined. Very good. Welcome.
Yes.
Welcome, sir. So if the number is more, then it is very interesting game. That's why. Because till now we are tired by seeing. Now let us play so that we will get some excitement also. Yes, sir. Sanja, Vijay sir, Sanja madam, very good. Madhavi madam, very good, sir. Very good, very good. So let me start. Jyoti madam.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay, I will start. Now you can see the questions and answers. I will read out. Complementary angle of 30 degrees. Complementary angle of 30 degrees. You see the only symbols: red, yellow, green, and blue on your screen. You can't see the question. You can see only these four boxes: red, blue, yellow, green. I am reading the question. So already Vandana madam has got higher marks, 87, because she has given the answer so fast. Okay, next one. Oh, next one. Degree of quadratic polynomial. Degree of quadratic polynomial. Answers: red 5, blue 4, yellow 2, green 1. Degree of quadratic polynomial. Already I got 13 answers. C is the answer, means 2. 2 is the answer. So 9 numbers I have given. 9 numbers I have given correct answer. 9 numbers I have given correct answer. Vandana, the fastest one is Jyoti madam. She got 1597 points. Next Vandana madam, second question. Madhavi madam, third question. Purushottam sir, fourth question. Jay Prakash sir, fifth question. Okay, now I will go to next one. I'll go to next question. True or false? HCF of co-prime numbers is 2. Blue true, red false. Blue true, red false. I got 13 answers already. I got 13 answers already. Time only 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Now,
False.
11 members gave correct answer. 11 members gave correct answer. I'll go to next one. And now the score is like this. Jyoti madam now leading 2509. Followed by Madhavi madam, next Manju madam, next Jay Prakash sir 1637. So this is the score. Now next one. The last question is, what type of number is 10? Red prime number, blue complete number, yellow both of the above, and green none of the above. Now only 9 seconds are left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 13 members gave answers. 13 members gave answers. Correct answers. Correct answers. So now Jyoti madam is still leading by 3,324 points, followed by Madhavi madam, next Manju madam, next 5. I don't know who is that 5. Vandana madam, last 2,377 points. And now the next question, last question. One is known as multiplicative identity. Blue true, red false. Blue true, red false. The question is, one is known as multiplicative identity. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now 13 members saying 13 members gave correct answer. And then now the score will be like this. Third question. Third question goes to Manju madam. Second question goes to Madhavi madam. And first question Jyoti madam with 4,251 points. Followed by Madhavi madam with 4,191 points. And Manju madam by 3,440 points. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Sir, is there any way to change the timing?
Sir, this is women empowerment.
Thank you, Anaya Shastri sir. Thank you, wonderful way you
Actually, this can be done to encourage the children to test the pre-knowledge as well as post-knowledge. And this was I have done this in our school. Everybody got excited and they actively participated because we will get the score also, no? So children will be very happy.
Thank you, sir. It's a wonderful.
Is there any option to set the time instead of
time setting?
No, sir. Time set, yes, time set is there. Time set is there.
Time setting is there. That option is there available. Thank you, sir. I used wonderful one on Kahoot. It's
excellent game, sir.
Either for game or
thank you, sir. Thank you.
It is
so nice, sir. Nice, sir. So nice the game you have presented
nice game.
nicely.
Children can enjoy a lot.
That's right. Children enjoy the most. That's why I give this.
We to enjoy and made the session lively. Now last group.
Thank you.
Already the time. Please get forwarded. 10 minutes test we use.
Already from our group, Mangatayaru madam already presented, sir. Mangatayaru madam already presented. If the time is there, last group, Mangatayaru madam already presented.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Everybody already.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay.
One more.
Narayan Rao, sir.
If anybody else in that group, none of this is there. Any other group?
Narayan Rao, sir.
Sir, it is not a different one, sir. It is the same one. This one. I'll share it in the group, sir.
Next,
Amazon. Sir, actually, this is Shivani Raval from Group 3.
Yes,
Good evening, one and all, sir. Actually, I want to share. Good evening. Actually, I want to share how to make a quiz using a Forms app. It is a different app. Once you go to the Play Store,
okay, ma'am, please present yourself. Let's spend some time. Yeah.
So can you see my presentation now?
Now it's visible. Please go ahead.
Sir, go to the Play Store. First of all, we have to download the Forms app. Sir, then from here, so like this is the Forms app. Now, here there are Google Forms and Survey Hut. If we want to make a quiz, so for example, we have conducted PT1. So I have made a quiz here, Survey Hut quiz mein. See, I'll make quiz on science, on history and geography. For example, I want to make a quiz on mathematics. And see in the below, here is option create blank quiz. Here I can give the title, KV Malkapuram, and it's class test. And I want to make a question. For example, short answer, long answer, multiple choice, drop down, add section. Now, if I select multiple choice, I'll give the question. What is the smallest prime number? Let us say we can add options 2, 3, and 4. And the correct option is 2. So I click on the 2 and I'll give marks also. Here you see the marks. I can add it 2 marks and here I get do required. So if I do this and if I submit this, then I can share this quiz with my students and here I'll show you. View quiz half yearly. Here you can see sir KV Malkapuram half yearly class test start and I give my name, for example Shivani, and I start a quiz. See what is the smallest prime number. So the answer will be I have already corrected that 2. If I submit this, I get marks like this, sir. And this I can share with children also, and the records are with me only, sir.
Okay, so thank you, Shivani ma'am. Wonderful app you.
Very good idea, madam.
This is what I wanted. You come out with a new app which we were not aware of it. Thank you. We'll try to use it. It is available on mobile.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivani ji. Okay, wonderful session. Last few words from my side. Uh, I enjoyed today's session, sharing whatever ideas I have. I don't have everything with me, so whatever little I have, and I know all are fully equipped. When I see that Kahoot game he conducted, and Shivani ji is presenting, and wonderful on GeoGebra, wonderful presentations. So no, we are nowhere less. Okay, because we are all Koreans. So it's, we are just good. And we stood to the COVID-19 and we took challenge and we are doing the best. Even all the officials are appreciating our work. Online work is going on excellent. And this can be taken up even for our classrooms also. When we join back our classroom, I think we'll be fit to take all the ICT classes. We are equipped. Only thing is we need keep in don't leave it. Keep on working on it. Explore, learn new things, and see that all our children get benefited. And let us have the joy of work. Okay. Whenever you create, just I saw her presenting GeoGebra in a different way.
Hello, sir. Sir, hello.
I wish Surya Prakash sir to learn more GeoGebra.
Sir, if possible, can we have one more session on GeoGebra, sir, to know the additional features?
Okay, sure. Yeah, sure.
Because
I'll share. Yeah, I thought during holidays I'll have a small session. I'll just go in the group. I'll share. Let us have interaction beyond the class. I can help you some of the things you have to learn more GeoGebra. Okay. During break, I will give one day. Those who are interested, they can join. There is no compulsion. It is only friendly exchange. I'm not the master, but still I can share whatever idea I have. Okay. So during holidays, we will have that. One day I'll just program.
It should not be a small session, sir. Sir, it should not be a small session. It should not be a small session.
Yeah, sure.
It is not a 2020 batch. It must be a test batch.
It should not be a small session, sir. It should be a longer one.
At least 1 hour.
It should be a longer one.
When you get interest, our will not look. When you get bored, our looks a big. That's the thing. Morning, I don't know when I am doing it.
Sir, if possible, you take one more session in this class, in this this one only training, sir. Sir, if possible, please take one more session in this training, sir.
Yes,
if possible, yes, please.
Schedule. Tomorrow I will be attending Ernakulam region. But it is a wonderful platform. I got thank God and KVS for one platform for me to exchange my ideas with such learned colleagues. They will take up this. Once again, I thank Principal, Course Director, and the who is the this program. I'm saying, sir, Brahmaya sir, right from morning, is sitting and coordinating everything. It's a wonderful job. And I thank all the participants for active participation, especially this 1 hour went very live. And I thank my resource person, say Rasul Sheikh sir, extending his in conducting this program. I think I have reached my target. If anything flaws are there from my side, please excuse me. Sorry for that. If something good has gone, it is your creativity and your kind heart. Okay. Rasul sir, you want to say something? Rasul sir,
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay.
You want to say something?
Excellent. Dealing excellently. I am not saying anything else. Thoroughly.
Okay.
So, what I should say? So, everything went on well. So, congratulations. So, thank you. Thanks to without
thanks to the participants.
me only manage everything. So, thank you very much.
Valuable 540 seconds and 5:39. I am stopping it, handing over mic to the coordinator. Thank you one and all. Let's hope we meet again. Thank you, sir. Please.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Purushottam sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your excellent, outstanding presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Brahma sir, for the participant.
Thank you, Purushottam sir and Rasul sir for your excellent and outstanding presentation. It is a wonderful session. Every participant.
Words are not there to describe him. Words are not there to describe him.
We learned many things, sir, from you. Even see, generally people at your age, generally, what can we do with this technology? Technology is not new, it is very boring. Like that, people will say, but you took so much interest, you are passionate about technology, and you learned many things compared to us. So, and you shared whatever knowledge you have on regarding this multimedia presentation. So we are very thankful for your kind and knowledgeable presentation. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much from all participants and our course director.
Yeah.
Thank you to all the participants.
It's a wonderful session, sir. It's outstanding session.
Thank you, sir. It's all just great. You are great. Yes, I done nothing. Thank you, one and all. Please, you can just log off. Have a cup of tea. It is from my side.
I'm requesting group two leader, please tomorrow present this today's proceedings and send the Word document, a soft copy, so that we can forward the same thing to regional officer Jai.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Thank you very much. Please share whatever you prepared in the group so that we compile everything and we will send to the regional office. Whatever work you done today, please share the links for the software, PowerPoint presentations, or anything. Please, whatever you have, please share in the group. So that at the end we will create a folder in the Google Drive and share to each and every participant. It is helpful to everyone. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Have a nice